Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash your hands with warm water for 30 to 60 seconds and leave them slightly damp. This opens pores and improves absorption. Next, pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of a nourishing oil like coconut or jojoba into your palm. You should massage deliberately into the entire palm for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on creases and callus spots so the oil penetrates. This both softens and primes the skin for deeper treatment. Once the oil is massaged in, you exfoliate to remove rough layers. Make a small sugar or salt scrub mixed with half a teaspoon of oil and rub your palms for 60 to 90 seconds in circular motions. Rinse and pat damp, do not over-dry, then apply a thick occlusive moisturizer or a thin layer of petroleum jelly to lock in hydration. Make sure to wear cotton gloves for 10 to 20 minutes when possible. This raises skin temperature and increases product uptake. To finish, you create a maintenance rhythm. Repeat the full routine 3 to 4 times weekly and apply a light moisturizer daily to preserve softness. If you develop painful cracks or inflammation, you can use 1% hydrocortisone short-term to reduce irritation, but make sure to keep the area clean and covered. If redness, increasing pain, discharge, or no improvement after 2 weeks occurs, see a dermatologist for targeted treatment. This prevents infection and addresses underlying causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.